Welcome to this step-by-step guide on how to publish your draft pages in WordPress. In this tutorial, you will learn a straightforward process designed to take only around 5 minutes. To begin with, open your web browser and navigate to your WordPress website. Once the page loads, you should look for the login option located at the top right corner of the screen. This is the starting point for accessing your account and managing your pages. When you click on the login option, you will be prompted to sign in. Here, the process is streamlined by offering a simple method. Click on the option to continue with Google. This feature allows you to use your existing Google account, eliminating the need to remember a separate username and password for WordPress. Choose your preferred account from the list provided by Google. Doing so will complete the login process and grant you access to your WordPress dashboard. Once logged in, the next step is to navigate to the section where all your pages are stored. To do this, find the menu item labeled Pages. Clicking on Pages will open a list view of all the available pages within your website, including those currently saved as drafts. This list is designed to help you easily locate the page that you want to publish. Look for the page whose title includes the word draft, indicating that it is not yet live on your website. After you have located the correct page, move on to editing it. Instead of opening the page fully, you can click on the Quick Edit option. Quick Edit is a feature provided by WordPress that lets you make basic changes without navigating away from the overview screen. In Quick Edit mode, you will be able to modify several important values, including the status of the page. Within Quick Edit, locate the section labeled Status. Here you will see a drop-down menu that controls the publication status of your page. Since your aim is to publish the page, select Published from the list. Choosing Published informs WordPress that the page is now ready to go live for your readers. After making this change, you want to ensure that the update is saved. You do this by clicking on the Update button in Quick Edit mode. Once you confirm the update, WordPress will process your change and your draft page will be transformed into a published page, making it accessible to visitors. This entire process is designed to be simple and quick, allowing you to manage your pages on the fly. By using the streamlined login options and quick edit feature, you save time while keeping your website up to date. Remember that working within your WordPress dashboard gives you easy access to all the essential tools needed to maintain and update your content. Thank you for following this guide on how to publish draft pages in WordPress. With these clear instructions in mind, you can now confidently navigate your WordPress dashboard, update the publication status of your pages, and keep your website current with minimal effort. Enjoy the ease of managing your online content seamlessly through WordPress.